Hello everyone, you should watch this video till the end to learn how to make a sketch of a parrot and to give shading to it step by step. A professional charcoal pencil has been used for shading and you can purchase that from Amazon or any nearby shop. A link for Amazon has been provided in the description. Start with soft HB pencil to sketch the parrot on a drawing sheet. After that, charcoal pencil is used for shading. Thank you for subscribing this channel, and if you have not subscribed yet, then it's better late than never. You can do it now and never miss only future updates. Check steps in written format. Click now on CC in YouTube settings and you can see them. Do watch this complete video and comment if you have seen the complete video. Share with everyone and like the video. After this, you can watch next video on how to make parrot using watercolors. See you there.